let us continue. Our next thing is washing soda. This washing soda is also we are preparing with the help of the sodium chloride. Now washing soda is nothing but a Na2CO3. It is called as a sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Now what do you mean by the decahydrate? Deca means 10. Deca means 10 and hydrate means the water molecule. Okay. So this sodium carbonate is washing soda, and that washing soda chemically is known as the sodium carbonate decahydrate. Now how the production of this takes place? But before that we have to know that this decahydrate is what? It is the water of crystallization. What do you mean by the crystallization? Crystallization means the solidification of atoms or molecules. मतलब जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं केमिकल के, उसे सॉलिडिफाई करना, उसे क्लोज करना, उसे कहते हैं क्रिस्टल्स. क्रिस्टल मतलब क्या होता है? छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में कन्वर्ट करना. क्लियर? दिस सोडियम कार्बोनेट decahydrate, it is also during the procedure one stage is there where we are getting the soda ash, and that soda ash is known as the anhydrous sodium carbonate. Why does it so? Anhydrous means what? Anhydrous means what? Without water molecule which do not contain the water. जिसमें water molecules नहीं होते या जिसमें water का content नहीं होता, ऐसे substance को anhydrous कहते हैं. समझ आया? So let us come and see. In the first stage, we are taking the sodium chloride which is cold and concentrated. See, whatever the chemical compounds we are going to study, जो भी chemical compounds हम आगे पढ़ रहे हैं, जो कि हम sodium chloride के uses से बना रहे हैं, वो सोडियम क्लोराइड कभी भी कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ही यूज हो रहा है. इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है. सो हियर ऑल्सो कोल्ड एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सोडियम क्लोराइड वी यूज्ड इट व्हेन दिस कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सोडियम क्लोराइड इज रिएक्टिंग विथ अमोनिया, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? इट प्रोड्यूस द सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट इज नथिंग बट अ बेकिंग सोडा. ये पहली स्टेज में सोडियम क्लोराइड जब अमोनिया और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट होता है, सो व्हाट दे ऑब्टेन्ड द सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट व्हिच इज नथिंग बट अ बेकिंग सोडा एज वेल एज अमोनियम क्लोराइड, वन सॉल्ट. एक और सॉल्ट यहाँ पे हमें मिलता है. See, if you see the reaction is also balanced. Sodium is here, hydrogen 4, that side 4 and 1 5, it is here, so 3 and 2 5 are there, 3 oxygens are there, here also 3 oxygen, 1 carbon, even the nitrogen is single, so nitrogen is single, it is written there. So if you are calculating both the sides, so you will get the balanced equation. Then in the first stage, what we see, sodium chloride, ammonia, carbon dioxide and hydrogen combines and they obtain the sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. Now see, this sodium hydrogen carbonate is slightly soluble in water. मतलब वो पानी में थोड़ा सा ही घुलता है. So what we are getting the precipitate of that. Precipitate of that मतलब देखो, जैसे कि तुम पानी लो, उस पानी में टेल्कम पाउडर जो हम यूज करते हैं उसे डालो, वो कभी सोल्यूबल नहीं होती है, उसके हमें प्रेसिपिटेट्स मिल जाते हैं. We can't say that it is not soluble completely. It can't be soluble, but it is slightly soluble. In that way only, ये जो सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट है, ये भी थोड़ा सा ही हो रहा है उसमें. तो क्या होता है, हमें इसके प्रेसिपिटेट मिलते हैं. In next step, what we are doing, this sodium hydrogen carbonate, by the filtration or by the heating or by the drying process, what we are getting this soda ash. Soda ash means anhydrous sodium carbonate. मतलब anhydrous sodium carbonate. अब anhydrous का मीनिंग आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया कि those not containing the water molecule. Those do not contain the water. जिसमें water नहीं होता. So when this sodium hydrogen carbonate undergoes the filtration process, undergoes the drying or heating process, we are getting this soda ash which is the anhydrous sodium carbonate है. sodium carbonate को soda ash भी कहा जाता है. Along with they are producing carbon dioxide and water molecule also. And at the last stage what is happening? यहाँ पे तो हमें देखने से दिखता है कि सोडियम कार्बोनेट मिला है, लेकिन इसमें वाटर मॉलिक्यूल नहीं है. So for recrystallizing it, for recrystallizing this sodium carbonate or soda ash. When the soda ash is recrystallizing or dissolving with water, this soda ash dissolving with water and recrystallizing, what we are getting? We are getting at the end washing soda. It is known as the sodium carbonate decahydrate. सबको समझ आया? पहले क्या हुआ? NaCl, अमोनिया, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर रिएक्ट हुआ, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट मिला, साथ ही अमोनिया क्लोराइड मिला. फिर वो सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट रिएक्ट होता है, उसे हम हीट करते हैं, फिल्टर करते हैं, वो हमें क्या देता है? सोडा ऐश. मतलब सोडियम कार्बोनेट ही मिलता है, लेकिन वो ड्राई फॉर्म में होता है, विदाउट वाटर. दैट इज सोडा ऐश. Then again that soda ash, when it is dissolving in water, it means it is recrystallizing and it is containing the water molecule. And at the third step, we are getting finally the washing soda. Now, what are the properties of washing soda? What are the properties of sodium carbonate decahydrate? It is transparent and crystalline in nature. उस कैसे होते हैं? ट्रांसपेरेंट होते हैं, उसके क्रिस्टल्स होते हैं, क्रिस्टल्स सॉलिड होता है, क्लियर. देन it is the only having the characteristics, this washing soda is one of the only metal which is soluble. It also gives the litmus paper test. Okay, it is basic in nature, so it turns the red litmus into the blue. It's having fourth property, that is detergent property or cleaning property. It cleans the dirty clothes. It rinses the greasing, if the stain is there, grease is there on the cloth, so it helps to clean it. If when we are putting all those clothes in the washing soda solution, so it neutralizing that. Neutralizing it means क्या होता है? वो उसे clean करता है, soluble in water, and we are getting the clean clothes. Is it clear? What are the four properties? Crystalline, transparent, which is soluble in water. It shows the red litmus turns to blue, and the detergent property or cleaning property. Now, what are the uses of this washing soda? Washing soda is used for the cleaning purpose, domestic purpose. Is it clear? Then it is also used to make the sodium contained substances, sodium compounds like borax are there. Main use of this washing soda, that it is used for the manufacturing of glasses. Clear? These are the some of the uses of sodium carbonate decahydrate. Everybody clear about the procedure of it? Along with this, we are winding up. In next session, we are going to study about the bleaching soda or baking powder. Is it clear?